Thank you very much.
Yeah, sure.
Good. Thank you. Good. What's that? I'll mostly be standing here, I think. Actually, I might be standing a little bit over here because this is where my notes are. So, hello for all those who are here and watching remotely. My name is David Grimm. I am the online news editor at Science, and I'm here to present our annual winner for the Dance Your PhD contest. This is a contest we've been running for 12 years now, and the point of this contest is it's sort of a global contest, and it basically asks people around the world, can you dance your PhD? And remarkably, we've had, you know, lots and lots of submissions over the years. People get really excited about this contest. People even without dance backgrounds get really excited just to sort of be able to use a different part of their brain to sort of, they're doing science all day, and this is a way to sort of be more creative about their projects. And so this year we had 30 submissions from around the world. And we had finalists in 4 categories, which I'll talk about a little bit later. But the categories we judge in are biology, chemistry, physics, and social science. And so I'm going to play this year's winner in a couple minutes, and maybe we'll have a few more people when I do that. But this year's winner was Antonia Gronenberg. And she is a neuroscientist. She got her PhD at Champlamade Research University in Lisbon, Portugal. And her project was about it was about how the movement of zebrafish larvae affect the brain development of the whole larval group. So it's kind of sounds like a bit of an esoteric concept, but she actually has a background in dance, and so she thought, well, I can combine my background in dance. She actually does, I believe she does choreography and other types of dance with my PhD project. And actually, she has kind of a funny story because she actually, she was a dancer since she was young, and her project, which she chose for her PhD, involved a lot of movement. And I think some of her colleagues gave her a hard time. They said, oh, well, you just chose this project, so it could be somehow related to dance, or that maybe you even wanted to submit it to Dance Your PhD. And that's actually what ended up happening. And so her thesis sort of explores how the motions of groups of zebrafish larvae affect the brain development of other larvae in the group. She says, we used to joke that my PhD was easily danceable as it's about movement. Some of my colleagues accused me of picking my thesis topic because of that. She shot this video over a long, hot weekend at Champlamade Research University. She used some of her colleagues to help her dance. You see some of her colleagues there, some local dance students. She also she has children in the video. And she said she jokes that she went around asking, do you have any toddlers I can borrow? So she has a few kids in the video as well. Now, as the winner, she not only gets the fame and glory of being this year's Dance Your PhD winner, but she's also going to get a $1,000 prize. So I'm going to play the video. It's about a 5-minute video, and I can answer questions about the contest afterwards. And if we've got extra time, I've got about a half hour here. If we've got extra time, I can play some of the finalists in the other category as well. So why don't we start with the main video. This is the winner. And again, this is Antonia Gronenberg. And I think the text will be on screen so you can kind of see what's happening. Okay, I think we can probably stop that now. So that's the winner. That's the winner for this year. And some of the things the judges said about this video is they really praised it for its inspired choreography. No surprise, considering the PhD, the scientist has a background in dance. They called it aesthetically stunning and intellectually profound. This was, again, we had 30 submissions, a lot of really good videos. But we have a panel, I believe about 9 judges, scientists, people with background in dance, and they are able to sort of, make sort of qualitative distinctions about these guys. So what I'll do is if there's any questions about the contest itself, I can answer those. And if not, I can play some of the other finalists. There are, as I mentioned earlier, there's finalists in 3 other categories. So this is the winner, and this was actually the social science category winner. We had a winner in the biology category. That was Katarina Haneke for a dance about fungus in tomatoes and how to combat fungus in tomatoes. Our chemistry winner was Jackie Zortz. Jackie did a video about improving the efficiency of microbial bioenergy systems. And finally, our physics winner was Samuli Gentilla, and this was a video about using LiDAR to image forests as a way of sort of measuring tree decline. So I can show some more videos, but are there any questions out there about the contest? Okay, well, I think we might show the physics video, which I believe is maybe the last video on the page. It's at the bottom. This video was also singled out by the judges. It was called Hilarious Yet Scientifically Informative. And again, this is the winner of the physics category. The author is Samuli Gentilla, and the title of it is Utilizing Multispectral LiDAR in the Detection of Declined Trees. So let's give that one a look.
Metsät kohtaa uusia vaaroja, ilmastonmuutoksen aikaansaamia, metsäpalot, kuumuusstressi. Mitkähän tepsis, tuhon hyönteisten määrä kasvaa, puolustus ei pysty vastaan, uudet keinot tarvitaan. Näemme tuhot havaitaan, laserkeilain ampuu laservaloa takaisin kohteesta se hajoaa. Tuntee valon ja laskee kauan meni 1 000 000 kertaa sekunnissa teki. Tuloksena kun on 3D-malli, piste pilvi soveltuu ja sallii. Mallista voi alkaa laskea muoto ja puun ja oksien asteet. Muoto ja puun ja oksien asteet. Mitä metsille tapahtuu? Kuolleisuuteen havahtuu. Kehityksessä mahdollisuudet. Tekniset ratkaisut uudet. Tunnistetaan alkava muutos. Kosteuspitoisuuden puutos. Me tarvitaan suunnanmuutos, taklataan ilmastonmuutos. Me tehdään suunnanmuutos, taklataan ilmastonmuutos. Puun muodon lisäksi tunnistaa, miten valoa kohde heijastaa näkyvän valon alueella sekä infrapuna-alueella. Infrapuna havaitsee kosteuden, lehden, vesipitoisuuden. Mallien avulla mä tiedän, mitä paljas silmä ei vielä. Lehtien vesipitoisuus on herkkä, kuusella oireet on selvät. Jos puussa on tauti tai ötökkä, on vettä sillä vähemmän. Sitä keilaimella mittaan, laserintensiteetistä flippaan. Kun voinkin tunnistaa, heikentyneet puut tuosta vaan. Mikä asema tutkitun tiedon, tohtorikoulutuksen hienon. Aivovuotoa muut maat kiittää, ohutta leipää tutkijat niittää. Mitä metsille tapahtuu? Kuolleisuuteen havahtuu. Kehityksessä mahdollisuudet. Tekniset ratkaisut uudet. Tunnistetaan alkava
Okay, so that was the finalist in the physics category. That was a Finnish group, and again, that was a video about using LiDAR to detect tree decline. So if there's no other questions, I can show, we've got two other videos. Why don't we do our biology video? That may be the second one on the page. Again, this is Katarina Heinke. This is a video about the title of I believe, of her thesis and the video is Impairing Disease Susceptibility Genes to Obtain Resistance to Verticillium Wilt in Tomato. So this is the finalist in the biology category. Why don't we play that one?
I will get started with this latest type-law narration in just about a minute, so run over, have a seat, and we'll start this.
Okay, why don't we stop it there? So I think we have time for our final finalist, which is our chemistry winner. Um, and before I say that, because we'll probably run out of time as soon as that video finishes, um, all of this information is on our website, news.sciencemag.org, the whole story, all the videos. If you're interested in dancing your own PhD, there should be instructions on the site as well about how to do that for next year, for next year's contest. So let's go ahead and finish off with our chemistry category winner. This is Jackie Zortz, and again, the title of this one is An Integrated Approach to Improving Efficiency in Microbial Bioenergy Systems. Okay, so thank you guys for coming. Maybe that inspired some of you to want to dance your PhD, those of you who are scientists in the crowd. And again, the information is all available on our site. There's a story about this where you can find the videos, more information about the winners and some of the finalists, news.sciencemag.org. And thanks for coming.